Welcome everyone to the video. Today I am talking about two stock ideas that I am planning to buy in this week going forward. There are two names of the stock over here. First one is Talbros Auto. Both are NSE stocks listed on NSE platform. Talbros Auto is currently trading around 516.65, and the second stock I will be talking about is Man Aluminium Limited, which is trading around 149.60. This is also listed on NSE platform. So without getting any further delay, let's get started. The first idea, Talbos Auto Limited. I am thinking to buy the stock right over here around 515 price. I'm planning to put a buy order around at 515 on tomorrow morning with a stop loss of around 500. It can be a little bit below 500, that is 498.97. That depends if how much gap do you want to provide the stock to move, but I think 500 is just enough. Talking about the target, I do have an expectation of it to at least reach 550. We can also trail once it reaches 550, but let's keep it the first target as 550 itself only, and then if it reaches I will give a further update about it. This was the Talbos Auto. So one more thing, why I've kept a stop loss of 500, I can also tell you that in this one. I have kept it 500 like on the basis of previous day's low. You can see the previous day low over here is 502. So that's why I kept it around at 500. Ideally I could have kept it around this big low of this big green candle, which is around 480. That would have been a big stop loss. So that depends from individual to individual. I'm always a lot conservative about stop losses. That's why I try to keep them small and contact. If this does not work, we will try to make a fresh entry in it with a revised stop loss. Once, let's see how it goes. These are also the percentages. This is stop loss is 2.91%. What does it exactly means? That stop loss is 2.91% of 515, that is the current price, and the target that I am expecting is 6.79% of the current price, that is 515 around. So the next stock that I will be talking about is Man Aluminium Limited. This stock is a little more volatile, but it do have a lot of potential to move. So how it can perform, I can tell you that. Talking about the long term chart, it is basically in a long consolidation mode. You can say exactly from August 21. It has been consolidating only and going nowhere almost. So I am planning to buy the stock tomorrow around 145. That is a little lower than the current price of 149.60. So I will be waiting to get the stock around 145 levels, because I feel that 150 is a little bit expensive in it. And after that 145, I will be keeping a stop loss of 137. That will still be a stop loss of 5.51%. But I am expecting some big targets in this one. The target that I am expecting is 175, which is 20.68% of the current price. That will be 20.68% of the price that I will be buying. That is around 145 levels. The thing that I can tell you over here is this is a major concern. Let me draw a trend line over here. We can just draw a line. You can say exactly, some people do make a rectangle instead of a line. They do say that this is a resistance area, not a line. Yeah, I know all that concepts. I'm not here into providing some educational knowledge. I'm just here to share my personal journey. That's why I'm drawing a trend line only. If you guys are happy with drawing a rectangle, you can also do that to make it a resistance area. So my objective here is that it has been rejecting this trend line since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times, and I am expecting a break of this. If it breaks this one, then at least it will touch us 170 to 175 levels. That's the currently thought over here. Talking about stop loss I've kept is 137, which you can say is 137 is the, you can say, the previous day's low. You can also say that this is around 136.95 something. That depends a lot. Stop loss in itself is a very deep theory. I'm also currently resolving it, how to fix a proper stop loss, but I feel in this one that 137 will be sufficient, and if it hits, then we will see whether it still will be a good setup to take a fresh entry again, or we do have to get out of this one and not to look after it further. So this is the stocks. I will update about both the stocks in the next 5 to 10 days, that for about the status for the both stocks, that how they performed, whether they performed or not. So thank you guys, see you next time.